everyone, very warm welcome. I'm just about to record for you our Improvers Solo Ballroom Tango practice routine number 7, and this was originally taught in the class on the 21st of November 22. We had a little bit of trouble with some of the audios from October and November 22. It has taken me a little while to re-record them all, I'm afraid, because we didn't spot that until it was too late. So let me make a little start. It's quite a long routine, so we'll try and remember where we were. We started with the progressive link and 2 walks. So walk, walk, link. I then went into a twist turn. Slow, quick, 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 slow. Spanish drag ending, slow, slow and slow. I then went into some rocks. Slow, quick, quick, slow. Slow, quick, quick, slow, close, point. And then flip or change, 1, 2, 3, chassis, and finish. Now I was in the bookcase almost there, so let me start on here. I think I'm going to break it up into 2 sections. So slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, 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 slow. Section 1 finishing at the end of the Spanish drag. Section 2 from the rocks. Slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, close in, point out. And then going for the flip or change. Normally we would be moving a little bit down the room, but that depends on your space. Quick and quick, quick and quick, quick and quick, quick and quick and slow. Just some little side chassis. Remember, this is solo dance in our living room, just for fun. It is not as precise and exact as the figures would be danced in the ballroom traditionally. Let's put the whole thing together. Progressive link and walks. Slow, slow, quick, quick. Twist turn. Slow, quick, 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 slow. Spanish drag ending. Slow, slow, slow. Rocks. Slow, quick, quick, slow. Slow, quick, quick, slow. Slow, slow. Quick and quick, quick and quick, quick and quick, quick and quick and slow. There we go, guys. Very short summary there. That was Improvers Solo Ballroom Tango practice routine number 7, originally from the 21st of November 22. You will find the full class in the video library on the website. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again very soon. Bye-bye.